Hello there, my name is Letta and I'm a clinical psychologist. Thank you for joining in as we explore topics that inspire personal growth and, of course, mental well-being. For today's episode, we will be exploring the aspect, or should I say, an essential aspect of healthy relationships, which is communication. One cannot not communicate. So, communication is a very vital aspect of any healthy interpersonal relationships. However, some people fall into patterns that leave them with misunderstandings and tensions, because that's the reason we're having this episode. So, for today, we will be looking at practical examples of those kind of patterns that may be destructive in engaging in relationships. So we're looking at blaming versus making a request. When we communicate in a blaming manner, it leaves the person on the receiving end feeling attacked and feeling defensive. Let's take a look at an example. You never take me out. Let's transform it into a request. I miss spending quality time with you. Can we perhaps go out on a date this weekend? This, of course, invites more cooperation and it's more positive and constructive. Remember, this is not a therapy session. This is just to enlighten you, make you aware of our communication patterns. Should you feel that you require some psychological assistance, I would advise that you consult with a psychologist where you will be assessed and further treatment plan will be provided to you. Thank you for tuning in our insightful conversation. Remember to like, send us your comments, and join in our next episode where we will be sharing more tips on building stronger and healthy relationships. Till next time, bye.